Hi friends, good morning. Today inequalities part 2, coded inequalities. In our previous video, a direct statement is given followed by two conclusions, and we have verified which of the two statements, which of the two conclusions follows from the given statement line. So now four statements are given. We have to club these four statements into a single statement line. And then we have to verify which of the given two statements follows from the given statement line. Okay, right. Now here coded inequalities. These are coded inequalities. So we have to change them into our inequalities. Here plus means greater than, copyright symbol means greater than or equal to means equal to, at the rate means less than, underscore at the rate means less than or equal to. So now let us change these notations, the symbol notations. Copyright symbol means greater than or equal to. So this is greater than or equal to. At the rate, what does at the rate mean? Less than. So or less than. At the rate symbol means less than, and equal to means equal to. So we need not change that. Then what does plus mean? Plus means greater than. Plus means greater than, and at the rate means less than. At the rate means less than. Now we have to club these four statements into a single statement. So if you notice here in these four statements, there are two i's. Here is one I, here is one I. Here is two r's are there, one r, two r. Two v's are there, one v, two v. Here one e is there, one d is there. Only e's are only one, and d's are only one. So now you have to begin the statement. With either D or E. You can begin with either D or E. Suppose let us begin with E. If you begin the statement with E, the statement ends with D. If you begin with E, the statement ends with D. So let us begin with E. E less than V. E less than V. Then V less than or equal to I. V less than or equal to I. I equal to R. I equal to R. R less than D. R less than D. So our statement line is finished. So now let us verify the truth of this statement, whether this statement is followed, whether this conclusion is followed or not. Let us see. D greater than V. So D greater than, equal to, greater than or equal to. So when greater than and greater than or equal to there, then greater than is followed. So D greater than V is true. Next, E less than I. E less than I. When less than and less than are equal to are there, less than is followed. So E less than I. This statement is also true. So both the statements follow. So the answer for the first question is both the statements follow. Now let us go to second question. This is second question. First let us convert these symbols into our inequality signs. Equal to means equal to, underscore at the rate means less than or equal to, less than or equal to. At the rate means less than, at the rate means less than. Plus means greater than, plus means greater than. Plus means greater than, here at the rate means less than. So after changing the symbols, into our inequality signs, we have to mix these four statements into a single statement. So with which letter we have to begin the statement? See here, two T's are there. So the statement, don't begin the statement with T. Here two E's are there. Don't begin the statement with E. Two A's are there. Don't begin with A. So one L is there, one T is there. You can begin the statement with either L or T. So if you begin with L, the statement ends with T. If you begin with T, the statement ends with L. Okay, friends. So now let us begin with T. T less than E. T less than E. E less than or equal to L. E less than or equal to L. L, so two T's are there. We should not begin with the T. We should begin with either L or R. See, two T's are there, two E's are there, two E's are there. So one R is there, one L is there. Only one R is there, one L is there. We have to begin with either R or L. Let us begin with R. If you begin the statement with R, then the statement ends with L. R greater than A. R greater than A. A is equal to T. A is equal to T. T less than E. T less than E. E less than or equal to L. E less than or equal to L. Now the statement line is fine. Now let us verify the truth of this conclusions. L greater than A. L, A greater than or equal to greater than. So when greater than or equal to greater than symbols are there, greater than is followed L greater than T. Of course T is equal to A. Then L greater than A also. So first conclusion is true. T less than R. T is equal to A. A less than R. A less than R. So T is also less than R. Second conclusion is also followed. So in these two problems, both the conclusions are followed. Now let us take up the third problem. C A O at the rate C is equal to T. So let us see the third problem. Let us first change these symbols and write a single statement. Less than or equal to, at the rate means less than, equal to means equal to, plus means greater than, plus means greater than, at the rate means less than. So after changing the symbols, we have to write a single statement mixing all these four statements. So so with which letter we have to begin the statement, so that to have continuous relation. Two C's are there, okay. Two E's are there. Two A's are there. So one P is there. One C is there. In this above this thing, one P is there. One O is there. Only one P is there. One O is there. So you can begin the statement with either O or P. If you begin with O, the statement ends with P, or if you can begin with P also. If you begin with P, the statement ends with O. So let us begin with O. O less than C. O less than C. C less than or equal to A. C less than or equal to A. A less than E. A less than E. E is equal to P. So this is the statement line. Now you can verify the truth of the conclusions. P greater than A. Yes. E greater than A. P is equal to A. So P greater than A. P greater than A. This is true. O less than A. O less than A. Yes. Less than or equal to means less than. Less than is followed. O less than A. So both the statements are followed. Okay. Now let us see the second one. Fourth question. Copyright symbol means greater than or equal to, underscore at the rate means less than or equal to, at the rate means less than, equal to means equal to, plus means greater than, equal to means equal to. M greater than. Now let us write the statement line. So here two M's are there, two B's are there, two R's are there. So one U is there, one E is there. In these four statements, one E is there, one U is there. So let us begin with E, then the statement ends with U. Okay. E is equal to R. R less than or equal to B. B less than or equal to M. M less than U. This is the statement line. Now let us see the relation between M and R. In both the conclusions, the relation is given between M and R. So what is the relation between M and R in this statement? M greater than or equal to R. So this relation greater than or equal to relation is split into two conclusions. One is greater than, one is equal to. So in this case, your answer is either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2. Either this or this. M greater than or equal to. R. So in this case, your option is either or. This option will be there. You have to select this option. Okay, friends. Now let us see one more problem here. fifth question. This is fifth question under these directions, under these notations, this is the fifth question. Okay. Now, our first target is, our first thing is to write a single equation clubbing all these four statements. So, operate means greater than or equal to, plus means greater than, at the rate symbol means less than, equal to means equal to, plus means greater than, So here with which letter we have to begin the statement? Two S's are there, two A's are there, two M's are there. So only one K is only one, U is only one. Only one K is there. One U is there. So you can begin the statement with either K or U. If you begin the statement with K, the statement ends with U. If you begin with U, the statement ends with the K. You can begin this statement with any letter. Now let us begin the statement with the K. K greater than A. A less than M. M less than or equal to S. S less than U. Now let us verify the truth of the statements. Let us see. A is equal to S. No. A less than S. Here A less than S. What is given? A is equal to S. No. This conclusion is false. This conclusion is not true. K greater than M. So between K and M, two opposite inequalities are there. K greater than, A less than. A less than M. Two opposite inequalities. We can't establish any relation when there are two opposite inequalities. So this conclusion is also false. So neither of the conclusions is true. Your answer from the options is neither of the two statements is true. Neither is true. Okay, friends. Let us see one more problem. Okay. Okay, friends. Let us see the second set of directions. Here alpha means greater than, beta means greater than or equal to, small delta means equal to, gamma means less than, theta means less than or equal to. So as we did in the previous problem, first let us change the symbols and mix all the statements into a single line. Alpha means greater than, gamma means less than, beta means less than or equal to, beta means greater than or equal to, delta means equal to, delta means equal to. So here let us write the statement. So only two P's are there, two A's are there, two I's are there. So one K is there, one D is there. One K is there in the entire four statements. One K is there, one D is there. Let us begin with K. K less than or equal to A. K less than or equal to A. A less than P. P less than or equal to I. I less than D. This is the statement line. Now this is both the statements do not follow. I is equal to K. No. What relation can be established between I and K? Less than or equal, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. I greater than K. But what is given? I is equal to K. No. this does not follow. What is followed? What is followed? I greater than k. Greater than or equal to? Greater than or equal to means the followed symbol is greater than. I greater than k is followed, but it is given I is equal to k, so this does not follow. D is equal to a. No, no. D, what is the relation between D and A? D is equal to A, this does not follow. Okay, that is fine. D is equal to A, this does not follow. Okay. Now let us see what is followed between D and A. What is the relation between D and A? D greater than or equal to greater than. So D greater than A. D greater than A is followed, but D is equal to A is given. This does not follow. Both the statements do not follow. So the answer is neither. Neither of the two statements is followed. Neither of these two statements. Neither. So neither. Neither of the two statements is followed. Your answer is neither. Now let us see the second question. Beta means greater than or equal to. Beta means greater than or equal to. Gamma means less than. Alpha means greater than. Beta means less than or equal to. Delta, small delta means equal to. Gamma means less than. Now let us write the statement line. Here only one n is there, and one h is there. If you notice from the given four statements, only one n is there, only one h is there. So let us begin with n. N less than a. A less than or equal to s. S less than or equal to u. U less than h. So this is the statement line. Now you can easily verify. U, what is the relation between u and a? U greater than or equal to a. So u greater than or equal to a. This greater than or equal to a is split into two conclusions. One is u greater than a and the other is u is equal to a. So here your answer is either u greater than a or u is equal to a. So your conclusion is u greater than or equal to. From the statement your conclusion is u greater than or equal to a. That greater than or equal to is split into two conclusions. One is u greater than a and the other is u is equal to a. So your answer is either or. Let us see the next problem, friends. So now let us change the symbols. E neta means less than or equal to, beta means greater than or equal to, alpha means greater than, small delta means equal to, delta means equal to, gamma means less than, So here if you notice 1k is there, only 1k is there. So let us begin with k. K greater than or equal to A. A is equal to D. A is equal to D. D greater than or equal to E. D greater than or equal to E. E greater than R. E greater than R. Now K is equal to A. No. K greater than or equal to A. K greater than or equal to A. First conclusion does not follow. Let us see the second statement. K less than R. No. K greater than R. Greater than or equal to. So K greater than or equal to R. So but it is given K less than R. So second conclusion also doesn't follow. So here your answer is, option is neither. Let us see the next question. Beta means greater than or equal to, beta means less than or equal to, alpha means greater than, beta means less than or equal to, alpha means greater than or equal to, delta means equal to. So here only one A is there. So where only one letter is there, you have to begin the statement with that letter. A less than or equal to R. R greater than or equal to M. R greater than or equal to M. M greater than Y. Y greater than or equal to L. Now let us see the first conclusion. R greater than L. Find R, L, between R and L, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So when there are greater than or equal to and greater than is followed. So R greater than L is followed. This is first conclusion is true. A is equal to M. No, there is no relation. In fact, we can't establish any relation between A and M because there are opposite inequalities are there, less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. So no relation between A and M. This conclusion does not follow. So your answer is only conclusion 1 is true. Okay friends, tomorrow in our next video let us see some tough problems in our next video. That is inequalities part 3. This is inequalities part 2, and in our next video inequalities part 3 let us discuss some more difficult problems. Okay friends, have a nice day.